Japan is a land of contrasts, a place where the ancient and the modern coexist in a delicate balance. Tokyo's energy is a powerful magnet, drawing people from all corners of the globe with its vibrant pulse. Big cities pulse with bright lights and constant motion, a testament to human ingenuity and relentless progress. But true Japan can also be quiet, waiting in hidden corners, offering a serene escape from the urban hustle. Far from the noise and bustling crowds, these places whisper to the soul, inviting introspection and peace. They offer a magic of pure, simple peace, a kind of tranquility that modern life often forgets. We often chase famous sights, but the best journeys are quiet ones where every step reveals a new, gentle wonder. They lead us to unexpected, unknown spots with unassuming charm, places that feel like a secret shared just with you. Shizuoka Prefecture is one such place, resting near Mount Fuji, a region that holds more than just the iconic mountain. Many know the iconic mountain, but Shizuoka has other secrets, hidden gems waiting to be discovered. One is a special train, a small green one winding through nature, offering a unique perspective on the landscape. It takes you to an emerald-colored lake, a serene body of water that mirrors the sky and the soul. This is the quiet journey we begin today, a journey that promises to reveal the softer side of Japan. We leave the fast bullet trains behind, seeking something slower, something that allows us to truly see and feel, a journey that lets us breathe deeply again, reconnecting with the natural rhythms of life. A journey that shows another, softer Japan, a Japan that is overwhelmingly green and calm. A Japan overwhelmingly green and calm, a place where nature's beauty is the main attraction. A Japan that soothes the tired spirit, offering a sanctuary from the demands of modern life. This is our quiet adventure into the heart of stillness, where every moment is a chance to rediscover peace. It is a promise of renewal, a journey that refreshes the mind and soul, a journey away from the known, into the heart of Japan's hidden treasures. We seek something different now, something that speaks to the quieter parts of our hearts. The station is small and unassuming, a quiet corner of Shizuoka where time seems to slow down. Unlike the bustling hubs of Shinjuku or Tokyo Station here, few people wait. The atmosphere is serene, almost meditative. The air feels fresh and clean, carrying the scent of nearby forests and distant mountains. The little train, humble and charming, waits patiently. Its green exterior blends seamlessly with the surrounding nature. It moves slowly, with a gentle purpose, promising a journey not just through space but through time and tranquility. The seats are soft, inviting you to relax. The large windows offer panoramic views of the world outside, turning the journey into a moving canvas. Painted a deep natural green, the train feels like an extension of the landscape, a part of the natural world it traverses. A green ribbon winding through the hills, inviting contemplation and a sense of peace. The journey begins with a gentle hum as the train pulls away, leaving the station behind and heading into the unknown. We head into the mountains, the sounds of the city fading away, replaced by the whispers of nature. Nature's subtle sounds emerge, a soothing lullaby that accompanies our journey. This is the famous Oigawa Railway, known for its breathtaking scenic views and tranquil atmosphere. Today, we are on a quieter part of this line, where the pace is slower and the experience more intimate. Deeper into Shizuoka's green heart, into the mountain's embrace, we find a sense of solitude and reflection. It feels like going back in time to a simpler way of being, where the journey itself is the destination. A journey not just of distance, but of peace. A vessel of tranquility, a moving meditation, offering a respite from the chaos of modern life. The train moves slowly along the Oi River. On either side, green hills rise, covered in tea plants. Shizuoka is famous for its high-quality tea. The neat rows create a beautiful pattern, a testament to cultivation. The air smells faintly of tea, calming the mind. Farmers work quietly, picking tender leaves. This tea will travel far, but here, it's part of the view. The train windows frame these scenes like moving paintings. Each turn reveals something new, a village, a shrine, a bridge. Life here is simple, connected to the earth. We pass through tunnels, darkness brief before light returns. The air smells of damp earth and growing plants, a smell of quiet, unspoiled Japan, cleansing the senses. This is the true scent of Shizuoka, a scene of timeless agriculture, a life connected to the seasons, a journey through nature's purity. The train journey continues its gentle pace. The river becomes narrower, more energetic, a sign we're close. We approach Sumata Gorge, where the Emerald Lake is hidden. The train slows, the final station small and remote. Stepping off feels like entering a dream. The air is cool, the sounds of nature surround us. Birds sing, water flows, leaves rustle softly. It's incredibly peaceful, inviting stillness. The lake, often called Lake Chimata, is vivid emerald green. Surrounded by lush forests, its color is breathtaking. It radiates a cool, calm energy, a jewel of nature, a place to disconnect and just be, a profound sense of distance from the modern world, a chance to simply listen. A hidden gem, the heart of the gorge, a place of pure wonder, a moment of tranquility, a promise of renewal, a journey's quiet climax. Near the Emerald Lake is the Yume no Tsurubashi, the suspension bridge of dreams. This bridge is not just a structure, it's an experience. A journey that begins the moment you step onto its wooden planks. A long, narrow bridge swaying gently, adding thrill to beauty. Each step you take is accompanied by the gentle sway, making you feel both exhilarated and at peace. It feels like a pathway to another world, a world of pure nature. The dense forest ahead promises adventures and discoveries, a sanctuary away from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Only a few can cross at a time, making it special and intimate. This exclusivity adds to the charm, allowing you to share the moment with just a handful of fellow adventurers. Below, emerald water flows surrounded by majestic mountains. The sight is nothing short of breathtaking, a perfect blend of water, earth and sky. It feels like walking on air, a little scary but beautiful. The height and the view combine to create an experience that is both thrilling and serene. The view from the middle is unforgettable, a panorama of green and blue. It's a sight that stays with you long after you've left, a memory etched in your mind. The bridge leads to trails deeper into the forest. These trails beckon you to explore further, to lose yourself in the beauty of nature. Each step, a meditation, a connection to nature. The tranquility of the surroundings makes it easy to find inner peace, a symbolic link between people and wild nature. This bridge serves as a reminder of our bond with the natural world, a memory to keep, the vision of green water below. It's a sight that captures the essence of this magical place. The vast forest around, suspended between earth and sky. This unique position makes you feel like you're floating in a dream, a moment of pure wonder. Every glance, every breath is filled with awe, a path to more beauty. Each step forward reveals new vistas, new wonders, a journey into the heart of nature, a walk on air, a dream realized. This is more than just a bridge, it's a passage to a world where dreams and reality blend seamlessly. This quiet area of Shizuoka has a long history. People lived here for centuries, close to the land. The Oigawa River was vital for transport and daily life. Old paths and shrines tell stories of the past. The Oigawa Railway, built for timber transport, now brings visitors. It connects the industrious past to the reflective present. A moving museum, a lifeline through time. Tea plantations have a deep history, a tradition passed down. This landscape is a living history, shaped by nature and people. A story of cooperation, a productive, beautiful land. A gentle presence felt in the air, a connection to the rhythms of nature. A journey through time, a discovery of history, a reflection on the past, a connection to the present, a story of harmony, a journey into history. Train travel in Japan is special, especially on local lines. There's a gentle rhythm, the click-clack of wheels, the sway of the carriage. It's calming, helping you slow down and let go of worries. You're not rushing, just moving through breathtaking scenery. The train window is your screen, showing a world of green and peace. A moving meditation, a journey for the senses and soul. Time to think or not think. Just be present. To look, listen and feel deeply. The art of stillness, finding peace in movement. The train offers the gift of quiet observation, inner calm. Passengers are quiet, enjoying shared peace and camaraderie. A collective appreciation for simple beauty. A journey of shared joy. A journey of quiet discovery. A journey of peace. A journey of reflection. A journey of tranquility. A journey of stillness. Near the station, little shops and restaurants offer local food, fresh and tasty from the mountains and fertile land. A way to experience Shizuoka through its flavors. We try the famous local tea, fragrant and delicious. Different from city tea with a special character. Delightful sweets and local vegetables, full of natural flavor. Each bite tells a story of the region's bounty and traditions. The people are warm and welcoming, sharing their home with visitors. Their kindness is a gift, making you feel connected. Discovering hidden gems is about sights, tastes, and interactions. An immersive experience touching all senses. Creating lasting memories, enriching the soul. A taste of Shizuoka. A journey of flavors, a journey of warmth, a journey of connection, a journey of discovery, a journey of hospitality. The time comes to take the train back, leaving the Emerald Lake. The vibrant green stays with us, imprinted in our minds. The return journey is beautiful, the landscape softer in the evening light. The train carries us homeward, changed by what we've seen. This journey was a true discovery of a hidden, precious place. It showed us there's always more to see, if we look beyond usual paths. Japan has many hidden gems waiting to be found. This emerald train adventure in Shizuoka is one example. It reminds us of the value of traveling slowly, looking closely. To find stillness everywhere, carrying peace into daily life. A journey's end, a memory's start, a journey of discovery, a journey of reflection, a journey of peace, a journey of tranquility, a journey of stillness, a journey of renewal, a journey of wonder,